Okay, so in the last video, we just created a very generic bot by using the Botpress. We have these variables which we want to send in the make and want to save them in the Google Sheet. So let's start by using the make. So this is the make website. You can directly go to the make.com. I already have my account. So in this, I'm going to make a very simple scenario. So here you have to make the scenarios. Okay, so create a scenario. In this, we have to use the webhooks. So this is the webhook. We have to make the custom webhook. Create a webhook. Okay, save. Okay, so this is done. And then we also need to save in the Google Sheet. What we will do, add a row. Okay, in this we are going to connect it. So this is already connected with my. Okay, let's make a Google Sheet first, and then we will connect it with the our mail. So let's do this. Okay, try sheet for work. Okay, so let's save data plus send email. Okay, so here we can add the date and time, name, email, phone number, message. Okay, and now I have shared that with my email. Okay, so this is the one which we are going to use. So this is a sheet. So this is a sheet which we just created, and we can make it bold. We can adjust it like this and this. Okay, so here what we can do is to have containers. So for this we can add the time now. Okay, so let's connect it first. We have to copy this and we have to connect it through make. So let's make another node, send data to make. We can cancel this. We can add another expression here always, and it will go here. Okay, and then this to this. We can add the execute code here. So this is the default code which we can use. So here we can name, we can enter the workflow flow dot name, email workflow dot email, and then uh, phone number workflow dot phone number, and then message workflow dot message. Okay, so here we have to enter the URL which we just copied, enter it, and save this. Okay, so you can close this, take this here, and run once. Okay, so it is waiting for data to send here. We will try this chatbot completely now. Yes, Hamad Shehzad, Hamad at 10xsaint.com. Can you make a custom chatbot for my business? Okay, let's see. So let's connect these two. Okay, so they are already connected, and inside it we have to enter the name here, email, phone number, and message. Okay,